this is Shayna with Against the Grain Homestead. So today I'm going to show you how to easily prepare tomatoes for canning. So I will link 2 videos up here and in the description box below about canning tomatoes. One video will be about the step to do after what I'm going to show you. And then the second video will be on the actual entire process of canning tomatoes. I think it's called like Canning Tomatoes 101. So it goes through everything for you. Okay, so whenever you go to actually prepare to can tomatoes, most commonly we blanch the tomatoes, and that is basically, you might be scoring the skin of the tomato and you're putting it in boiling water for the skin to split so you can get the skin off. The purpose of getting the skin off, the skin has a lot of good nutrients in it, of course, we all know that, but there's also the possibility that there's a lot of bacteria on the skin that you don't want sitting in your canning jars. So it's just one of those like better safe than sorry things. That's why we take the skin off of tomatoes when we can them. Okay, now when you go to blanch tomatoes, that's a pretty lengthy process. You got a lot of boiling water. It makes a big mess in the kitchen, okay? So in this short little video here, I'm going to show you how to do it another way, okay? So this way is extremely easy. So you can see here we have a box of tomatoes, okay? So I actually can just whole tomatoes, slicing tomatoes, whatever you want to call them, the bigger ones. I do not can tomato sauce, pizza sauce, pasta sauce, salsa. I don't can any of that. I can strictly whole tomatoes, and I make everything from my whole tomato can jar that I need when I need it. I'll do another video series on that someday, probably not anytime soon. Okay, so all these tomatoes, these were picked just in the last day. These are all clean. I have not washed them off. You do not have to wash them off unless they're, dirty, but these are all pretty clean. So, ready to see how simple it is? Okay, so remember this requires no blanching, okay? So this is going to save you a lot of time, heat, possibly getting burned, and a very messy kitchen. You take a clean trash bag, put your tomatoes in the trash bag. Okay, so you take your big bag of tomatoes, and then you shove them in the freezer. Okay. So you shove them in the freezer, and then you wait. Just wait until they're frozen solid. It could take a day or so. And then, once they're frozen solid and you are ready to can them, now they can stay in there just a day, whenever you're ready, or they can stay in there 6 months or however long until you are ready to can them, okay? Okay, so in the next video, go ahead and click that link up there and you can watch what you do when you're ready to can them, okay? Thanks for watching.